In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your video camera in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're preparing to join a call and want to make sure your camera is off, or you're already in a meeting and need to disable your video, I'll guide you through the simple steps you need to follow. Let's start with how to manage your camera before you even join a meeting. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or device. You'll want to locate and click on the meeting you intend to join. Once you click that join button, you'll find yourself on the pre-join screen. This screen serves as a final check before entering the meeting, allowing you to adjust your settings to ensure everything is exactly how you want it. On this pre-join screen, keep an eye out for the camera icon. It's typically located in the center or towards the bottom half of your screen. It is displayed prominently, so it should be easy to spot. When you find it, give it a single click to turn your camera off. You'll know you've successfully done this when you see a diagonal slash appear across the camera icon, indicating that your video is now disabled. Now that you've turned your camera off, you can proceed to join the meeting. The great thing about this feature is that you'll enter the meeting with your video off, ensuring your privacy and control over when and if you decide to turn your camera back on. This is especially useful if you're not ready to be on camera or want to join a meeting anonymously without any visual distractions. Now, in case you find yourself already in a meeting and realize you need to turn off your camera, don't worry. It's just as straightforward. During the meeting, you'll see a toolbar in the middle or at the bottom of the screen. Similar to the pre-join screen, there will be a camera icon there as well. Clicking this icon during the meeting will also disable your video stream. Again, look for the diagonal slash across the icon to ensure your camera is truly off. If you're ever unsure whether your video is off, you can always verify by looking for that slash or by checking with another meeting participant. With these quick actions, you maintain a high level of control over your video, ensuring you're only seen when you choose to be. I hope these instructions help make your video conferencing experience smoother and more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and I hope you feel more confident managing your video settings in Microsoft Teams. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.